front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. If you recently changed any password to your accounts added to Google Password Manager, you need to edit your passwords in your manager or autofill will be pointless. So to do that, go into Settings first and then scroll to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts right away. Then hit Google available on the left and tap on Google Password Manager. Now click on any password you wish to edit and enter your screen lock to confirm it's you. Finally, after tapping on Edit button, you can change whatever you want to. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!